Today, I had a beautiful experience all day long. It's been beautifully profound. But in my journeying today with the rattles, I just realized that the rhythms of the rattle, the drums, these fundamental, foundational rhythms, um, they are the building blocks for thought to grasp onto. They are the tangible building blocks of consciousness. Um, They are the ladders, the ropes, the material bindings that hold us tethered to this material physical realm on our spirit journey into the other worlds. And this is what I've learned today in my journey. The power of the rhythm, the power of the rattle and shamanic practice, and the power of the drum, the rhythm. And how with these rhythms we can build thoughts, we can build patterns, we can build energy fields. We can build just consciousness. We can continue to create consciousness, conscious ideas, flow, patterns, reality. They all are rooted back to these fundamental beats and rhythms. These fundamental rhythms, these rhythms. These fundamental, the rhythms. And just learning that these rhythms are the building blocks for our journeying and our travels in our work, in our shamanic work, in our shamanic practices. This is what I've learned today, that the rattle, the drumming builds the landscape for us to create.